how to fix Valorant Vanguard error isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just open here services and then scroll down until you find VGC, and once you're here, right click on it and click stop. Close this window, type here device manager, and now just update all the drivers here, like display adapters and network adapters and also processors. Now just update. If you want to update it, just right click and click update and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, don't forget to start VGC again. Scroll down and right click on VGC and click start, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.